Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here. In this episode, we are going to understand the abstract method decorator in Python. We are going to understand how it actually works inside of Python. So the abstract method decorator from Python's ABC module creates a contract requiring all subclasses to implement the decorated method, and this powerful tool enables developers to define interfaces that descendant classes must follow, supporting robust object-oriented design patterns. So how exactly does the abstract method work in an example we are providing next? So the abstract method decorator requires implementation in subclasses, and classes inheriting from an abstract base class must actually implement all abstract methods to be instantiated. So here's an example code. You can run this out in your VS Code to understand exactly how this works, the abstract method works. So type it out in your VS Code so you can understand exactly how it works in your code. So Python actually raises the typo error when trying to attempt to instantiate a subclass that fails to implement the abstract method, enforcing the contract defined by the abstract base class. So that's it for this video. Do let us know how it went for you in the comment section. Type it out in the comment section. Let us know how it went, and if you have any questions, you can also ask it out. Thank you for watching this video once again.